Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your headphones JBL Tune 510 from your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. Right here you need to click the information icon near to your headphones. And at the third line we have a button what's called disconnect, so we need to tap on it. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between disconnect and unpair. So when you select to disconnect your headphones and you tap on it, you will stop Bluetooth connection with the phone, but leave it at the device list. And if you select to unpair your headphones, you will totally remove it from your phone. Now let me click on it, and as you can see, we just stopped Bluetooth connection, it's not connected anymore. But I saved it at the device list, and if I want to, if my headphones is turned on, I can easily tap on it and reconnect these headphones with the phone. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.